Hi! If you're in SEO, you know things are always changing. And now, with Google's AI overview taking over the top spots, it's more important than ever to keep up. So what is AI overview? Basically, it's Google's way of using AI to answer certain search queries right at the top of the page. But here's the thing, it doesn't show up for every search, just the ones Google believes it can provide a complete response. For SEO pros, this can be a real headache, especially in the competitive US and UK markets, where AI answers are having the biggest impact. AI Overview grabs that prime spot. It pushes everything else down, including your well-optimized content. If you don't know which of your keywords are triggering AI Overview, your content could be slipping without you even realizing it. With Serpstat, it's easy to track which keywords are impacted by AI Overview. You'll see a little robot icon next to those keywords, and you can even filter them out to focus just on those. This way, you know exactly where AI Overview is showing up, and you can adjust your strategy accordingly to optimize for keywords that trigger or don't trigger AI answers. Now, it's super easy to stay on top of these AI changes, track your keywords, and make sure your content keeps ranking. Feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated and get more SEO tips.